Good morning, everyone. Mike Smith here from Xiaomi Websites. My voice competing with the crows. And another beautiful day, and I hope your day is going well as well. My thought for today, with regards to website, is where you store your data. Where is your contact data for your customers? You've probably got a copy of it in your phone, emails and phone numbers. But what about some kind of list that you use as the basis for sending out newsletters? Where's that actually stored? A lot of people use a cloud-based service such as MailChimp or HubSpot, Constant Contact and such. And the problem with those services is that they're hosted offshore. Now, we're here in Australia, subject to Australian consumer protection laws, privacy laws, and yet a lot of businesses have their customer data stored in another country, generally the United States. And the United States have their own privacy laws, which are not necessarily compatible with the Australian privacy laws. So if you're concerned about data security, if you're concerned about being compliant with the law for where your business is located, and you don't happen to be located in the same place as those cloud services, then you might want to think about where you store your data. And it's not necessary to use those cloud services to store your customer data. It's quite possible to use a customer relations management tool, CRM, that's actually embedded into your website, so the data is stored with your website. So, for example, if you're running an e-commerce site and that is storing customer data, as it must, then your general CRM is probably best co-located with that inside your website. And if you can do it, why wouldn't you do it? The last thing we need is duplicated data. And if your website is hosted within the country that applies the laws within which your business operates, then it's probably a good idea to think about co-locating all of your customer data within your website if you can. And you can. I'm working with a product called Groundhog, which is a CRM plugin for the WordPress website content management system, and that allows you to keep it all together. It also opens up a whole lot of opportunities for automation and integration, so that, for example, when someone buys a product, you can thank them with a dedicated email message. When someone enrolls on a course, you can welcome them properly and you can provide an onboarding service. So keeping everything together is probably a very sound business strategy. Have a great day. Thanks very much for listening.